Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 slime recipes that are perfect for ASMR. These are basically slimes that make the best sounds, so they're very clicky and have the best bubble pops. Because this is an ASMR video, I'm not going to be talking too much, and I also want to mention that I did buy a new microphone, so I've upped my game with the audio, and if you can hear a difference, please let me know in a comment, and also let me know what you guys think of this video and if you would like to see more videos like this one. But before we get started with this video, I want to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Wix. As you guys may remember, a few weeks ago, I made my very own website, allthingsnim.com, using Wix. You guys can also make your own website using Wix, and it can be about anything. You can make an online store to sell your slime or your homemade squishies, or maybe even just make a personal blog to share your ideas. The great thing about Wix is that they have a professional solution for all your website needs, from a variety of different apps to reliable hosting. With Wix, you have total creative freedom to make your website. You can use their website builder to build a site from scratch, or you can choose from their many templates and customize it to your needs. So if you guys want to make your own website using Wix, they were kind enough to offer a coupon code. Use NIM100 to get 10% off their unlimited premium plan. I will have all of the details and links in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. A huge thank you to Wix for sponsoring this video, and with that all being said now, let's get started. Okay guys, so for the first recipe, I'm going to be making some jelly cube slime. As I said in the intro, I'm not going to be talking a lot in this video, but I will show you as much detail as possible. Once you've folded your cubes into the slime, you want to let it sit for about 2 days so that the slime can clear up, and also because you want the cubes to soak up the slime. For the next recipe, I'm going to be making a very crispy and crunchy slime, and the key ingredient for this recipe is fake snow. And the fake snow that you need for this recipe is the plastic one and not instant snow. And here is the slime all completed. I also added this very cute polymer clay peach charm that I made. For the third recipe, I'm going to be making a very glossy and clicky slime. The main ingredient in this slime is baby oil because that is going to make it very like glossy and clicky. And here is the slime all completed. I topped it off with some Mickey Mouse sprinkles. For the fourth and final recipe, I'm going to be making some foam. And here is the last slime all completed. Please let me know in a comment down below which slime was your favorite. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.